The 2011 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, MP3 player, security system, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, satellite radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.